Let's look at this question 5 on vector quantities. The question, 4 forces act as shown below. Calculate their resultant. And when you look at this is resolution of 2 or more forces. And the purpose of this is to find the single resultant of all the vectors. That is, the different resultant vectors and its direction. And to find the resultant direction, we resolve each vector into its perpendicular direction, that is x and y, and sum all the y components and all the x components using our side convention for the 4 cardinal direction. So if you look at this, the upward direction is positive, downward is negative, the right side is positive and the left side is negative. So if we are to resolve this for the y component, which is the vertical component, we have y equal to, we resolve this 12 Newton to the y component, we have positive 12 times sine 40. This will now be 12 sine 40. Then when you resolve this to the vertical, we have plus 10 sine 30. And when you resolve this to the vertical, we have minus 15 sine 60. Then this will be minus 9. So when you press your calculator, our y component will be equal to minus 9.28. To find the y component, we resolve each vector to the horizontal. So when you resolve this to the horizontal, s now be equal to 10 cos 30. When you resolve this to the horizontal, this will now be minus 12 cos 40. And this angle to the horizontal plus 15 cos 60. You can't resolve this to the horizontal because it is in the vertical direction. So our s, which is the horizontal component, now be equal to 6.97. From the x component and the y component, we can draw out the two vectors. Since the y component is negative 9.28, it indicates that it is going the downward direction. So this will now be our y, which is equal to 9.28. And the horizontal component, since it is positive, indicate that it's going in the right side, now be this x component, which is equal to 6.97. So our resultant vector will be in this direction. From here, we can find this angle to the horizontal, which will now be tan alpha equal to y over s. This will now be tan alpha equal to 9.28 divided by 6.97. This will give 1.331. To get our alpha, we have alpha equal to arctan 1.331. This will give 53.08, approximately 53.1 degree. So to get this angle, theta, will now be 90 minus this angle. our angle theta will now be equal to 90 minus 53.1 will give you 36.9 degree. That is east of south. East of south. So this is our answer to this question. Please click on the subscription button to get more questions on vector quantity. Thank you.